Introduction. Why automate secure backups?
Automating backups ensures your important data is safe, up-to-date, and easily recoverable. By using a single app to manage backups across all your devices, you reduce the risk of data loss from accidents, theft, or system failures, and save time by streamlining the process.
Choosing the right backup app.
Look for an app that supports multiple platforms: Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Features to prioritize include automatic scheduling, end-to-end encryption for privacy, and cloud or local backup options. Apps like Acronis, Backblaze, and Sync.com are popular, but always verify compatibility with your devices.
Setting up backups across devices.
Install the chosen app on each of your devices. Create an account and follow the setup wizard. Select the folders or file types you want backed up, like documents, photos, or entire drives. Link each device to your main account so all backups can be managed from a single dashboard.
Enabling security and automation.
Activate encryption to ensure your backups are protected both in transit and at rest. Set up automatic schedules to run backups daily or weekly according to your needs. Use the app's two-factor authentication for added account security, and review notification settings to stay updated on backup status.
Verifying and managing your backups.
Regularly check your backup dashboard to ensure all devices are being backed up successfully. Test file restoration periodically on a device to confirm you can recover your data if needed. Adjust backup settings over time to cover new folders, devices, or security preferences as your needs evolve.
Conclusion. Enjoy seamless, secure peace of mind.
With automatic, secure backups from one app, your data is safe and accessible whenever you need it. By routinely verifying your backup routines, you minimize risk and gain confidence that your files are protected, no matter where you work or which device you use.